class. So you guys just like went to the review, you can focus on the keywords here. This one as well. Okay. So vocabulary about animals and pets and learning. This is very important. You guys better listen carefully and then take a note for this part because this is going to be very helpful in your Chinese character learning. Okay, first one is 动物. 动物 is animal. So the 动 here means move or active. For example, if you can remember 动 like 运动, it means sport. 动作 it means active, action. Okay, so 物 here it means stuff. So the movement stuff, active stuff, which means an animal. So because an animal can move, right? Otherwise it cannot be an animal, it will die. Okay, so 动物 is here. The next one is 宠物. 宠物. So you can see that this 物 is from the same 物 from the 物 here, 动物 here. So there's some connection here. Please remember. And this 宠, I would like to explain this 宠 here. 宠, the radical on the top here. This one is like a roof. Do you remember the Chinese character of 家? It has the same radical here. It means roof. And then the bottom part here is the bottom part of the 宠 here. Or maybe look at this one's bigger. This one is 龙. 龙, it means the dragon. But here in this Chinese character, 龙 play the role as tell the pinyin of these whole characters. Okay, because 龙 and 宠, the sounds have a little bit connection over there. So you can think about like this, because when we keep a pet, we need to keep it in a house, right? In the roof, under the roof. So that's why the 宠 has a roof on the top. And then 宠 here means the spoil it. So for example, the Chinese people, we have the one-child policy, right? So most of the kids, they all spoiled by the parents very much. So and 物, 宠物 together means the pet. Okay, the spoiled pet. Next one, 老鼠, 鼠 or 老鼠. Normally in the oral speaking, we don't say 鼠 only. 鼠 it shows as a written language of very formal language. So in oral, we just say 老鼠. 老 here it means old. I cannot explain why we put a 老 in front of the 鼠, which means the rat. It cannot be means like the old rat. Sometimes in Chinese context, we put a 老 in front of some verb to say something we don't like, or to say some people is very old. For example, 老师 is a teacher, right? And then 老鼠, people hate it, so you put the 老 in front of that because old and hate stuff, something like that. But please do not say that you hate teacher, okay? So look at the 鼠 here. 鼠, the character is here is so complicated. But how can we remember this character? You can look at here. Okay, can you see my pointing here? Okay, here 1 point, 3, 2 point, and 3 and 4 points here. You can look at here. Maybe it looks more like the rat's teeth. Okay, the teeth here. Okay, and then on the top here, maybe you can think about that is the house or the hole where the rats live under the ground, right? Very dark, something there. And then the long one here, you can think about this is tail of the rat. Okay, so we can look at here. Maybe here it will be helpful. Okay, so this one is the how to say that, the revolution of the Chinese character of 鼠. At the beginning, it is like that. I know you may think that it's much more easy to remember, right? But life's not that easy. Okay, so after 2000 years change, the 鼠 character from here to here to here to here, and then currently it's like that. I like the current one because it looks beautiful. The old one looks like a rat and so ugly. Okay, so 老鼠. Next one, 牛. This one you learned before. Okay. And 虎. See, another 老 here again. Tiger is very dangerous, right? Most people don't like it. But of course, some people like it to keep it as a pet, right? I think I heard heard that in Dubai, the people keep 老虎 as a pet or lion as a pet. I'm not sure. That people is so weird. So look at the 虎 here. I think you can see here. This is the wait. Okay, we are the part. This is number 7. Remember, number 7, and this is 几. Remember, 几口人, 几岁. When we talk about the family members here. Okay, so on the top here, maybe you can think about this head of the tiger, and this is the tail or the body shape of the tiger. Here, this one. Okay, so this side you can think about that this is the original one here, and then here, and then here, and then here. You like this one, right? Sorry, you have to remember this one. Okay, so the writing order should be 1, 2, no, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, so 老虎 tiger, 兔子 rabbit, very cute. 我喜欢兔子。Okay, 兔子 this one, the create the story about this one is kind of a bit complicated, but I think you guys can have a try. So this is the head of the rabbit, or the ears of the rabbit, and then here is the head, and then the feet, and then the tail, and then the dot here looks more like something. Oh, okay, the little tail here. Okay, so 兔 and 兔子 both are okay, but in the oral speaking we say 兔子, we don't say 兔. 兔